If you want to convert a Pinterest personal account to a business account, then here's what you're going to do. This is a straightforward process and is recommended for anyone using Pinterest for commercial purposes. Your pins, boards, and followers will all be retained. First step is you're going to head over to this profile icon right here at the top right corner of your screen, which is your account. So you're just going to click on this drop down icon right here, and then you're going to click on convert to business. Now from here, you're going to upgrade to a free business account, and then you'll be able to see all of the things that comes with it. Now what you're going to do next is you're just going to click on upgrade. Now you're going to wait for this page to load, and as you can see, it is going to ask you several prompts in order for you to convert it to a business account. But as you can see here, it didn't even ask me anything, and it just automatically converted it to business account. As you can see here, just below my name, it already says business, and that's it. That is how you're going to convert a Pinterest personal account to a business account. It all depends on the layout and how updated your Pinterest is. Sometimes it asks you questions, sometimes you can skip it and then do it later, and that's it. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.